Welcome to today's market updates. Today Nifty closed at 17,871.70 where there was a change of 0.85. Today Sensex closed at 60,663.79 where there was a change of 0.63. Today Bank Nifty closed at 41,537.70 where there was a change of 0.11. Today Nifty IT closed at 30,774.00 where there was a change of 1.53. In NSE there was 1,237 advances and 780 declines. Now we will see top 5 gainers in Nifty 50. Adani Enterprises, an increase of 23.13%. Adani Ports, an increase of 9.01%. HDFC Life, an increase of 5.25%, SBI LIF an increase of 2.87%, Bajaj Finance an increase of 2.83%. Now we will see top 5 losers in Nifty 50. LT, a decrease of -1.48%, Eicher Motors a decrease of -1.43%, Bharti Airtel, a decrease of -1.39%, Hero MotoCorp a decrease of -1.37%, Axis Bank a decrease of -0.83%. Now we will see the top 5 stocks which are most active. In terms of value, in lakhs, Adani Enterprises, it was traded 23.13% higher. Reliance it was traded 1.90% higher. Adani Ports it was traded 9.01% higher. Infit was traded 1.77% higher. Bajaj Finance it was traded 2.83% higher. Now we will see the top 5 stocks which are most active. In terms of volume, Tata Steel, where there was a change of 0.13%, Adani Ports where there was a change of 9.01%, Adani Enterprises where there was a change of 23.13%, SBI where there was a change of 0.67%, HDFC Life where there was a change of 5.25%. Following companies in the table are the companies providing dividends. Note the ex-date and record date carefully and do the needful. Thanks for watching this video. See you tomorrow with more market updates. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, like and share this video to your friends and neighbors. See you tomorrow with more market updates. Bye.